This RV uses a digital thermostat to control both your furnace and your water heater. To start, press the round dial. That wakes up the display. The first blinking icon you'll see is the van symbol. That's for the furnace. Press the dial again to confirm, then turn it to set your temperature. Press once more to lock it in. The furnace runs on propane, and it'll cycle on and off automatically to maintain the temperature you set. The furnace uses propane to create heat, but the fan and controls run from the house batteries. Overnight furnace use can significantly reduce the battery level, especially in colder weather. Before going to sleep, make sure the batteries are fully charged, keep the heat at a reasonable setting, and check the battery level again in the morning. After shutting it off, you might still hear the fan running. That's totally normal. It just needs a few minutes to cool down. To turn on the water heater, press the dial again until the icon with waves and a thermometer starts blinking, and then choose either eco heating or hot, depending on how warm you want your water. The water heater also runs on propane, and it'll take about 20 minutes to fully heat up.